Someone requested that we do a charging speed test of the HONOR X9b, and we have this fully drained phone right here. This is the built-in charger, 35 watts HONOR SuperCharge. We're gonna go ahead and plug this right in. Okay, we just started the timer. So we just finished charging, and as you can see, it took us slightly over 2 hours to go from 0 to 100% charging at 33 watts. This phone has a 5800 milliamp hour battery. So I hope this answers your question, and if there's anything else that you'd like to know about the HONOR X9b, just drop them in the comment section or DM us. Once again, we do have a bunch of content on the HONOR X9b on our YouTube channel at The Kuya, so don't forget to check it out, and we'll see you guys there. All right, bye.